I have here for my veg palau a little baby cabbage, one cabbage, 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of double beans, 1 cup of gadra beans, 1 cup of corn, and I have 4 jalapeños. Okay, and here I have my potatoes, 4 potatoes, medium size. I've washed it and I've soaked it in salt and food coloring. I'm going to fry this and then I'm going to braise this. I've got 4 onions and some frozen biryani dal that I'm going to braise this with a cup of biryani dal that I'm braising the veg with. And then I'm going to add the rice in the end, which you shall see. Got a cup of oil, 200 grams of butter. These are my whole spices. These are the star seed, black elaichi, tablespoon of somph, mustard seeds, and cumin seeds. Fry here in the butter and the ghee. Onion, the onion, once it's golden in color, I'll add the veggies and the biryani dal, and I'll add all the spices with the onion and let the masalas fry. And then I'll add all the vegetables to cook for a while and then add the rice to it lastly. It's a mixed masala 11 in 1. Then I have the cumin, the jeera powder, the tumeric and the chili powder. I'm going to let it fry for a few minutes and then add the veggies to it. Now I add all my veggies. The veggies must cook down a little bit, then I add my rice to this. I'm adding mint, dhania and thyme, curry leaf. Stir that in. Then I'm going to add the rice. I'm adding 2 cups of rice. I'm going to fry the potatoes and add them just before I put it in the oven. I am adding the fried potatoes to the rice. I'm putting it in the oven. After I put the water in, I'm putting the foil in and I'm putting it to cook, steam in the oven. This is what it looks like, guys. I'm just going to add 2 cups of water. I'm going to put a foil on and I'm going to put it in the oven for just about an hour and a half. I'm putting in 1.5 cups of boiled water. This is how you make your veg biryani, which comes out very tasty.